శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 757th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము third parvam, Vana Parvam or Aranya Parvam, 25th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, Markandeya Maharshi visiting Pandavas. Markandeya Maharshi, how is he looking? Tamagatam jvalita hutasana prabham sura rushi manavarchitam. He is glowing like a fire. He is the one who is worshipped by devatas, maharshis, manavas. Here in Pandavas ashramam, such great Markandeya Maharshi is worshipped by great person Kuru Vrishabho Yudhishthiraha Mahamanaha Apujayat. He is worshipped by Dharmaraj. Then Markandeya Maharshi has seen there are so many Maharshis sitting there, and in that Maharshi's assembly, in the center, Draupadi, Dharmaraju, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva, all of them are sitting. Markandeya Maharshi has seen that and gave a nice smile while Samsmrutya Ramam Manasa Mahatma. While remembering Sri Ramachandra Swami, Markandeya Maharshi gave a nice smile while seeing the scene over there, while looking at Pandavas. Then Dharmaraju got kind of shocked to see that, because he said, O Maharshi, while all other Maharshis are showing their compassion towards us, concern towards us, you are smiling at us. Why? Why are you doing that? Then Markandeya Maharshi said, I am neither feeling happy nor smiling. And what it is, while looking at all of you, I just thought of Satyavratam Dasarathim Smarami. I just remembered Dasaratha Nandana Sri Ramachandra Swami. He is also, according to his father's orders, along with his brother Lakshmana, he went into forest. I have seen such Ramachandra Swami who is wandering in the forests and in the mountains. Like that, Markandeya Maharshi saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.